Hello everyone, welcome back to Engineering Graphics through CAD Laboratory. I am Rakesh Valasa. In this video lecture, I am discussing about how to draw the given projections of straight lines one problem in AutoCAD software. Here, I have taken this problem from Engineering Drawing by N.D.BHATT textbook. The given problem is two pegs fixed on a wall are 4.5 meters apart. The distance between the pegs measured parallel to the floor is 3.6 meters. If one peg is 1.5 meters above the floor, find the height of the second peg and the inclination of the line joining the two pegs with floor. Here, two pegs are given. Let us assume peg means nail. One peg name is A, another peg name is B. That means, and also he has given that the distance between these two projections, that means A peg projection, B peg projection, that is 3.6 meters. You can see here. A projection, B projection gap is 3.6 meters, and also he has given that these two pegs fixed on a wall are 4.5 meters apart. He has given one more condition. If one peg is, that means peg A is 1.5 meters above the floor. He is asking that find the height of the second peg, that means B dash B. Here we need to find out B dash, and he is also asking that inclination of the line joining two pegs, that means he is also asking what is the theta. In the given problem, he is given that in the units are in terms of meters, so we need to convert these meters into millimeters. We know that 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeters. That means 4.5 meters equal to 4.5 into 1000 millimeters, that means 4500. So that's why here I have taken the scale 1:100. That means 4.5 meters means 45 mm, 3.6 meters means 36 mm, 1.5 meters means 15 mm. Okay, now open new drawing file. Just you can click on this plus symbol, that means drawing tab. You can get a new drawing sheet. First, we need to do the few important settings. First one is turn off grid lines. Second one, do the unit settings. UN, enter. Here length type is decimal, precision is 0, and units to scale inserted content is millimeters. Then click on OK. The next important setting is dimension style manager, D, enter. Now click on modify, move to the lines. Here we need to change extend beyond dimension line from 1.25 to take 2 mm. Next, offset from origin, that means the gap between this orange color sketch and this extension line, that is here I am taking 2 mm. Next, move to the symbols and arrows. We need to check arrowheads first, second, leader that are closed fill or not. Next one, give the arrow size 3. We know that the ratio of arrowhead is 1:3. So that's why here I have taken 3 mm. Next, move to the text. For text style, click on these 3 dots. Change the font name, that is here I am taking Times New Roman. Next, text height is 3 mm. Then click on set current. The current style has been modified. Do you want to save your changes? Yes. Now close this window. You can also ensure that text height is updated or not. Then move to the text placement. Vertical, that is above, horizontal, center, view direction left to right. Next, offset from dimension line. Here I am taking round of value 1. Next, move to the text alignment. Here I am selecting ISO standard. Next, move to the primary units. Precision 0 and decimal separators I am taking period. Then click on OK. Now finally we need to click on set current. Then close this window. The next important setting is object snap setting. Shortcut key OS. Enter. In that we need to ensure all the options are selected or not. If not selected, click on select all. Then click OK. The next important setting is Limax. Limax. Now click enter. The default drawing sheet size is 420, 297. Here I am changing from this A3 values to A4. Length is 297, width or height is 210. Then click enter. The next important setting, UCS icon settings, user coordinate system icon. Then click enter. Now select no origin, N, enter. The last important setting is zoom settings, Z, enter, A, enter. Now copy the text from previous window by using your mouse. Just click here and drag to this one. Specify opposite corner. Now Control C, copy this text and open drawing one and paste here. Control V. Now click here. This is the way to copy the text from other window to this sheet, other drawing sheet to this drawing sheet. Here draw the 3.6 meters. Before we need to draw this problem, first write here scale by using text command, T, enter. Specify first corner, click specify opposite corner. The text is scale. We need to change the units from meters to millimeters scale. Here I am taking 1:100. Already I explained how to take 1:100. This is the reduced scale. 1:100. That means 100 times reduced the given dimensions. Just click here. The distance between the pegs A projection and B projection measured parallel to the floor is 3.6 meters. Take line command, L, enter. Specify first point. Other end point is just turn on ortho mode. Locate the other end point, that is 36 mm. 36, enter. This end gives A projection peg, other end gives peg B projection. Here given that if one peg is 1.5 meters above the floor, so you can also give the name, this is A and this is B by using text command. This end name is A, that is small a, and other end is small b. Here I am telling one important setting in AutoCAD software, that is creating layers. Okay, for that purpose go to the layer properties, click on this layer properties. For creating new layer, by using your mouse, click right button and choose new layer. Here I am creating two important layers. First one is projection layer, second one is object layer. Projection, PRO, projection, and give the properties. Here I am giving the projection color is cyan. Okay, and line weight is, here I am taking default value. Then click OK. Here I am creating one more important layer by using your mouse. Click mouse right button, new layer. Layer name is object, and okay, already that object is already created. That is projection is cyan color. Object is already created, and color is white. And this property, that means line weight is, I have chosen 0.30. Then close this window. Just remove this layer 1 already created. Okay, one layer is projection, other layer is object. Now close this window. Here from properties to layer properties, select projection. With the help of this projection, we can draw the xy line, projectile lines, dimension lines. It gives very thin. When you select object, it gives the uh, thickness of that lines. That means you can use object for final front view and final top view. Here I am selecting projection just by using this drop down, select projection. The distance between peg A projector and B projector, that is 3.6 meters. By using line command L enter, specify first point and specify second point, that is 36, enter. Now give the dimension by using linear dimension DLI, enter. This is my first point and this is my second point. Drag down. Here the units are meters, so that's why here I am taking 3. Just you can write in terms of meters, 3.6 meters. Double click on this 36, type 3.6 meters. Okay, this is the way to give the dimension for this type of problems, and give the names by using text command. This name is A and other end is B. In the given problem, she has given one important point, that is, if one peg is 1.5 meters above the floor, we know that AB is the floor. From A point, draw the 15 mm above the line, 15, enter. This projection name is front view. T, enter. Give here, this is A dash, front view projection. Now give the dimension, that is DLI, enter. First point, second point, drag left side. We don't know the other end point, but he has given that the two pegs fixed on a wall are 4.5 meters apart. We know A point, A peg top view point, B peg top view point. From B point also draw the vertical projectile line by using line command L enter. From this point draw the vertical line. We don't know exact height. Just draw the one vertical line. But we know the gap between A dash and B dash, that is 4.5 meters. Take line command L enter. Specify first point. Take first we need to draw the arc on this B vertical projector. Take arc command A enter. Choose center, C enter. This is my center point. Just move your cursor, turn off ortho mode, move your cursor. The arc length is 4.5 meters, that means 45, 45, enter, and draw right to left. Okay, this is the intersection point. Now join A dash, this intersection point name is B dash. By using text command, type here B dash. This is the peg B location. Now join A dash B dash by using line command L enter A dash and B dash. You can also give the dimension. Here we are using align dimension D A L enter A dash point B dash point. Drag, give the dimension here. Now adjust this text by using move tool M enter. Select this text. Move from this base point to this one. I can repeat here. M enter. Select this one. Base point to this one. Okay. Here locating two pegs by using donut command. Do enter. Before locating that point, first give the dimensions. Draw the one horizontal line at A dash projector, and by using angular dimension DAN enter, specify this horizontal line and this inclined line. The angle is theta is 37 degrees, and also give the dimension for B dash D DLI enter B point and B dash B and B dash. Click here and also draw the XY line by using line command. Draw the 20 mm line towards left side from A point, that is 20 enter. This end point is X, and take repeat same command L enter from B point. Draw the 20 mm line towards right side of B point 20 enter. Now give the names by using text command T enter. Specify first corner and specify opposite corner and type small x. Click here. Next, similar to the right side, T enter. Specify first corner, specify opposite corner, type Y. Okay, this is the way to give the text in AutoCAD software. Here he is asking that find the height of the second peg. Second peg means B dash, that is 42 mm. Okay, and he is also asking that inclination of the line joining two pegs, that is 37 degrees. You can write the statement here. Okay, after completion of this problem, locate the two pegs by using donut command. Do enter. Specify inside diameter is 0. Enter. Outside diameter is I am taking 2. Enter. Before choosing donut command, we need to change layer from object to projection to object. Now repeat the same tool. Do enter donut. Inside diameter 0, outside diameter 2. Enter. Locate at A dash point. This is one peg, A peg. At B dash, this is B peg. Now, okay, after completion of this problem, final front view and final top view, we need to change the layer. So select A dash B dash front view. Top view is AB. Now select these two views, front view A dash B dash and top view AB, and change the layer from projection to object, because these two are final views, front view and top view. Here thickness is invisible, so that's why go to status bar, enable show or hide line weight. If this option is invisible, go to the customization and select line weight. Then this tool is added in status bar. Now then turn on line weight. Okay, next after completion of this solution, you need to write the answer, that is the height of the second peg. Just you can double click here, select one. The height the height of the second peg. Copy this one. Okay, activate text command T enter. Below the solution, paste here. The height of the second peg, that is B dash, is 4.2 meters. 4.2 meters. You can also in the place of 15 mm you can write 1.5 meters. In the place of 4.5 meters, just double click on this 45, 4.5 meters. Next, in the place of 42, double click on this one, type 4.2 meters. So the answer is the height of the second peg is peg B dash is 4.2 meters, and he is also asking that the inclination of the line joining the two pegs. So double click on this one, select this text. The inclination of the line joining the two pegs with floor is, copy this one and paste as the solution. Double click on this one, enter here, paste. The inclination of the line joining the two pegs with floor is 37 degrees, 37. For adding degrees, go to symbol degrees. You can also expand here by using this triangle. Okay, first answer is the height of the second peg is B dash is 4.2 meters, and the second one is the inclination of the line joining the two pegs with floor is 37 degrees, that is theta. Next, add the title block for this problem. Already I have drawn this title block in the previous problem. Go to the experiment 3. If here this is not there, go open title block. Okay, open title block. Where is title block? Okay, open title block. Already I have saved this file in my folder. Just copy this window, copy this table, Control C, and paste at this problem, Control V. Okay, next arrange the text, whatever it may be, arrange the problem and solution, this title block, and remove these dimensions. No need to mention here, just this, remove this dimension. uh, Next one is convert this drawing file into PDF. For that purpose we need to click Control P, continue to plot a single sheet is printer or plotter is Microsoft Print to PDF. Next, paper size A4, plot offset is center the plot, drawing orientation landscape. Next, to plot area what to plot, click on this drop down in that select window. Okay, select the area, specify first corner and specify opposite corner. Now apply to layout, click apply to layout, then click on preview. See here, we need to take this printout. You can also change, you can also apply the object for this text. Go click escape button, cancel, and select this 4.5 meters and apply the object. Go to the home. Just you can change the color from 4.5 to cyan color to white. Similarly, you can apply the all text B dash, select B dash from cyan to white color. Next 4.2 meters, select this text, change the color from cyan to white. Next 3.6 meters, white for X AB. Double click on B, select B, cyan to white color. Next apply the 1.5 meters, select, choose the white color. Next for A also, cyan to white color. Next 37 degrees, white color. Okay, next click Ctrl P, continue a plot a single sheet. Click the preview. You can see the difference between previous printout and this printout. Here, final views means A dash B dash should be thick, AB should be thick, and text. That means 1.5 meters, 4.5 meters, 4.2 meters, whatever it may be text is thick is there. Finally, you have to click on this plot. Give the file name, that is experiment 3. Experiment 3 problem number 2, so experiment 3.2 PDF. Save the file at desktop. Now click on save. Now open that PDF. Okay, now take this printout for submission. You can also change the title. See here, before submission, please check the title. Please type the title, that is projections of straight lines. Double click on title. Okay, right here, projections of straight lines. Straight lines 1. By using this triangle, you can expand to this one. Next name is, you can also type your name, Rakesh Valasa. Okay, by using this triangle, you can expand. Next, type your roll number and change the date from 9 to 30. Scale is, if you draw only single problem, just you can change the scale from 1 is to 100. If you draw the more than one problem, you can mention scale at that problem, scale 1 is to 100. Otherwise, you can mention scale here 1 is to 100. Here experiment number is 303. Okay, I hope this solution very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates, and also share to your near and dear friends.